Alright, what we got going on here is my son Miller is now 4 years old, and he's going to do his first weld, just like my son Marcus did, where he writes his name into a piece of stainless, and then we'll make a little bracket for it, and so he can put it on his desk. So he's ready to go. He's got his gloves on. Are you excited?
Yes.
Alright, so what we're going to do now is put a bunch of safety gear on him, because we don't want him getting hurt on his first weld and becoming welding shy, right? So we're going to make sure that he's not going to get any sparks or anything like that. So we'll get him suited up, and then we'll get into this thing. Alright, Miller, how'd you like it?
Good.
What do you want to do now?
Well,
You want to weld again? We didn't take his helmet off because he said, I want to keep going. So we're going to let him keep going for a little bit, and then let his brother finish up. You had fun? What do you think? Is welding fun?
yeah.
Alright, we'll do some more welding. So what we're going to do now is I'll take it to work, take weld to the back on it, straighten it out a little bit because it didn't warp like crazy because it's stainless. And then we'll give it to him in the house. How's that sound? Alright, good job, buddy. Alright. Okay, so I cut these 4 plates right here. I'm going to take 2 on each side, form them into a triangle, and that will hold his name up. But I'll tag it together, get another shot of it, and you'll get a perfect idea of what we're doing here. Alright, this makes more sense hopefully. We just tack that up. So now we're going to hard weld it. It's going to sit like that on Miller's dresser in his bedroom. So let's hard weld this baby up and wrap this project up. Alright, so we just welded this on the back. It's standing up good. And I'm going to put some Velcro on the bottom of it so it doesn't scuff anything that it sits on. Take it home and give it to old Miller Man. So we're out for now. Heading home. Alright, so here we are. We finished this up. What do you think, Miller? Look good?
Good.
Then we put these on the bottom so it won't scratch. And there you go. There's your first weld of your name. What do you think?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
You gonna put it on your dresser?
Yes.
Alright. Well, good job. Alright. That's all we got. We're out of here. Say we'll see you later.
See you later, alligator. See you at the wild crocodile.
Alright, we're out.